know what's crazy? We live in a society where people like J. Cole could be man enough to apologize for his action because it's out of character. And his response was out of the pressure of society that making him feel like he had to question his manhood to defend it. And when he realized that he is not of the world, and he realized that his character and his persona and who he is as a person is much more important than what people think about him. And I just want to give J. Cole a big shout out for that because that's really big. See, that's what we call principles over profits. See, he understands the nature of this, where this could go. You may look at it as an entertainment, but for some people, this could be very detrimental and they could be very dangerous. Because we have friends, families, foes, friends, all these people that may have a different perspective of how to respond to this, when two people could be competing with intellectual words through what we call freestyles or diss tracks. But you don't understand that sometimes words are so powerful, and you see J. Cole is that in tune and intuitive to realize that this is going to be definitely damaging, and it's going to put him in a perspective where he cannot be the free man that he already is. Shout out to you, J. Cole. You're a wise man. And don't let the world ever let you feel that you have to prove that you are a wise man. And that was a wise choice. And it doesn't make you less of a man. It doesn't make you a coward. It doesn't make you a fool. It doesn't make you look stupid. It makes you look great. And this is the examples that we need within our black community. Sometimes we as men must know to apologize, not because the other people did us wrong, but it's based upon how we respond to the wrong. And that's why I respect you, J. Cole. Shout out to you.